Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity or if you want some answers for your circumstances, Cancers, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys, Cancers. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. So we have Fool, Page of Cups and Sun in reverse. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is feeling really inspired, confident about certain things, and you are rushing to make some choices, guys, not thinking deeply. So for some of you it may work out, guys, it may work well because you really feel inspired and you are putting in lot of efforts and doing things your way, and you feel that you will be successful. So impulsive decisions or impulsive actions in your career or maybe in your relationship. So your thoughtlessness may take you towards success, guys, for some of you. But for some of you, it may put you in some difficult situation. Maybe something may not be right, but you are rushing towards that, guys. And you are someone who is a true romantic person. So maybe you are making some impulsive choices in your relationship with this person you love. Maybe you feel that this relationship will work and you are simply attracted, or you may love to be with this person, and that may be the reason you are rushing towards them, rushing towards this relationship, guys, Cancers. And for your relationship, guys, that is what I was telling you all. You love them, and that may be the reason you have a great attraction for them, or they may have a great attraction for you. So something is pulling you towards this person, and you are not thinking about this. Maybe it may be a new relationship, a new beginning you are seeing, and you feel like it's some kind of an adventure, and you are rushing towards this person you love. And maybe there is something good. Maybe it's a good news you are seeing in your relationship, guys, in your life. Maybe you never felt this way before. You have never felt this way with anyone, guys. So that may be the level of connection you feel with this person. So you have a great attraction. Maybe I see for some of you, this may be your karmic connection. That may be the reason we see this level of familiarity, connection, and that intimacy you both share. So you both have a great bond, mutual love, trust, and respect, caring for each other. And even in your work situation, guys, Cancers, you are seeing some good change of events, maybe. So some good news may come up, guys, in your work situation also. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it's Nine of Swords, guys. So maybe for some of you, you have proposed to them and they have not yet answered, maybe. So that may be the reason for this card. So you are sleepless, thinking about this person. So if you have true love and if you feel, if you trust this person and if you feel they are the right one for you, maybe they will also reciprocate it, guys, and they will also reciprocate your love with the same extent of feelings that you have. So for your career situation, guys, Cancers, we have Queen of Swords in reverse. So in your career, there may be some stressful circumstances you may see today, guys. Something may not be up to expectation. Maybe people are not telling you the whole truth about certain things. So you need to be careful, guys, Cancers. But whatever your situation is, Cancers, all that is going to resolve, guys, and you will be things will start to fall into place bit by bit, so you need not worry. So that is also what I see with these cards, guys, Cancers, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says Juniper Tree, Deception. So in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your relationship for some of you, or it may be in your life, maybe in your general circumstances. You are carrying some burden on your shoulder and it is not your problem, it is not your responsibility, and this responsibility lies with another person, but you are thinking that it is your fault and it is your duty to do certain things. But you must let go of that, guys, let go of that responsibility for that situation, and you should not think and feel sad about something happening around you, or it may be this circumstance, and you are thinking that it is all your mistake and your fault. But you need to understand that you are a person with a beautiful heart, a helping, kind nature. That may be the reason you feel this way, and you feel that, or you must have lost someone really close to you, and this separation is the reason for sadness, and maybe you feel that it is your fault that this person has left you, and the separation is your fault, your mistake, and you are the one responsible for that. But you should not lose hope, guys. Maybe there is a third party involved, that may be the reason for this separation. So you need to do the right thing, and the person who has left you will return to you. So you should not be impulsive today. and whatever kindness and compassion you have in your heart, or whatever you have uh, shown to others, will come back to you multifold, and you are getting a second chance today, guys, at this love. Maybe you should not lose hope. That is what I mean with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, it says happiness. So with this card, guys, it just means that in our day to day life, we are often, see so much stress in our life. We are worried all the time, and we forget that happiness comes from within us. So, with this card, we are just asked to see the simple things that bring happiness to our life, live each moment, and fully experience the present moment. So, simple things, just seeing a butterfly fluttering around, or just a dog wagging its tail, whatever it is, all that is going to bring us happiness. So, even at times when we are sad and stressed, the small things that bring us happiness, when we see that, when we are aware of that, we feel uplifted, and we'll begin to see happiness in all the areas of our life, guys. And the same way, when we put a smile on someone's face with a simple act of kindness, when we just smile, or a simple smile maybe to a stranger, it will bring a moment of joy to them, guys, and it will bring a great difference in their life. It will simply inspire them to be more happy and confident. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we need to be happy today. Maybe we see a lot of stress and sadness in our circumstances, but no matter what our circumstances are, guys, when we are happy, happiness attracts more happiness. So we'll be more happy and successful in our life if we feel that joy and bliss through the simple things that we see around us. Maybe simple things in nature or in our surroundings. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.